Incognito supposedly bullied Martin. Martin left, and I know about the text, and that's it.
Then the whole context of it became, first it was all the bullying, and then of course they related it to bullying in high school and all this stuff. But the dude's like my size, if not bigger. He's young, he's smart too. That's like, he went to a really good school,
Stanford, I think.
Yeah, exactly. So and
of course, with football players, when they say that, I always still kind of, well, you're smart for one of those guys.
He's still a football player.
University of Michigan. So many kids who get almost straight A's can't get in there, and these guys, they don't even speak English, and they're in there.
The way Michigan's played the last 5 years, I believe those guys are all smart. Anybody have any good stories where they got bullied?
I got bullied quite a bit when I was in high school. I got thrown in a dumpster my sophomore year of high school. Yep.
Shit.
And we had band camp. I was in the marching band my freshman and sophomore year.
Are you sure maybe that's not the root of the problem?
I forget what they called us when you were a freshman. You were a freshman slave or something like that. But I had makeup put on me.
It's the typical skullduggery one can expect if they go to band camp.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, you knew.
I was bullied in 9th and or 10th grade. You know how the zombie shuffle walk? He had some like disease or something, but he was a tough little bastard. He picked on a lot of my friends. He was just notorious. Do you know that name, JD?
No, I think I would remember the Mongoloid monster. The one in middle school that really fucking terrorized me, and I don't even know why, because I'm relatively certain I could kick his ass, most likely, but he was 2 years older. Whatever, I was intimidated by him for some reason. And he fucked with me quite a bit. And then all of a sudden, one day, he wasn't in school anymore. Supposedly, he got caught whacking off in the auditorium, like behind the curtain when everybody was at lunch or something. And I'm like, great, the guy that bullied me is caught beating off behind the curtain or whatever. I'm like, all I could think of was, it's imperative that nobody knows he bullied me.
Right.
I don't like your tone.
If you are looking for trouble, you found it.
Yeah, just try me, you.
Oh!
They say, like, bullying in school is worse now than it ever was, and the amount of bullying kids put up with. And I keep thinking to myself, it's like, how can it possibly be worse now? As coddled as kids are.
There are kids who are openly gay, and people love them, and they're tooting and hollering at everyone. They're as happy as can be. In our era, man, if some kid was gay, he would have been crucified. And I'm sure there was gay kids, but if someone found out you were beaten up, they just crucified you. It is so different now. First of all, the schools are zero tolerance.
Right.
And I don't know one high school that isn't. I mean, in our era, remember fights? There'd be like 300 kids who'd show up.
Yeah, right.
And I mean, someone was getting bloody. And again, every kid in the school knew. How did no teachers know? That's impossible. But they wouldn't do anything. And nowadays, it isn't like that.
Which is why I don't understand where they get you have no idea how bad bullying is today.
But if you look at the stats, there's not a lot of fights and stuff at school. It's much more tame than it ever was.
I think it's more about kids are so fucking coddled and catered to that any amount of bullying seems like absolutely unacceptable. So that's why it's so much worse now. Because their parents just can't fathom that their precious little baby, somebody said something that they didn't like.
You know, even through all the merciless bullying that we witnessed, did anybody go hang themselves?
Yeah, but see, that goes to Jay Davis' thing. They're so coddled now that anything.
That's absolutely true. I mean,
but see, I don't know. We'd have to look at the stats. But I'm not saying it's bad because I don't think there should be bullying and stuff, and I'm glad.
Right.
Let it go. I always, like I said, when I was a kid, I used to wonder, why aren't any of the adults stopping this asshole? It used to like bother me, you know, like that's not what kids are going through on a daily.
So Jet, did you ever go seeking any kind of redemption, or did you just let it all slide?
Who, me?
Yeah, because I was thinking about getting thrown in a dumpster. It's like at any age, if I'd have got thrown in a dumpster, I'd have found some way to get back at those.
You know, what was I going to do at the time? I didn't even really hit puberty till I was like 18 or 19.
You were such a pacifist, you didn't even hit puberty. That's why I don't believe bullying is worse now than it was then, because back then, when there was a bully, we cowered. When there was a big dude or a guy 2-3 years older that you knew would crush you, you didn't fuck with that guy, or you didn't fuck with adults, you know what I mean, in most situations. Today, think about how many times like these little fucking puny kids know that legally you can't do anything to them, so they just fuck with you. They're like disrespectful assholes. So if they're going to do that to us, they're certainly going to do that to each other. You know what I mean? So I don't believe they'll even like stand for bullying because they all like, well, I'll call the cops.
That's a good point. That might go back to your point of they're coddled. Then when something does happen, they take it so hard because it's like, oh my God, this can happen. It's like, no shit. I was scared of many guys. Like when I was young and they were older than me, I wouldn't have said shit to any of them. I wouldn't have told on them. You know, that was the whole thing. You didn't tell your parents. You didn't tell the teachers. You shut the fuck up, you know?
Yeah, you just took it, basically, you know?
You made the appropriate changes in your daily habits, you know what I mean? Like,
in school, you'd walk around different ways and everything.
Right.
So you wouldn't see that guy? Yes, for sure.